Understanding semicolon usage, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the world of punctuation, focusing on semicolons. Understanding how to use semicolons correctly can significantly improve your writing clarity and style. So, let's get started. A semicolon is a punctuation mark, winking face, used to connect closely related ideas. It's stronger than a comma but not as definitive as a period. Think of it as a middle ground between the two. In English writing, semicolons serve two main purposes: to link independent clauses and to organize complex lists. One of the most common uses of a semicolon is to connect two independent clauses that are closely related but could stand alone as separate sentences. For example, I finished my homework. Now I can watch a movie. Here, both parts could be separate sentences, but the semicolon shows they are closely connected in meaning. When you have a list where the items themselves contain commas, semicolons can be used to avoid confusion. For instance, on my vacation, I visited Paris, France, London, England, and Rome, Italy. The semicolons make it clear where each list item begins and ends. Be careful not to overuse semicolons. They are most effective when used sparingly and with purpose. Also, avoid using a semicolon when a comma or period would be more appropriate. Remember, semicolons connect closely related ideas. They shouldn't be used to connect unrelated sentences. Let's practice. Try rewriting the following sentences using semicolons where appropriate. 1. I love reading. It's a great way to relax. 2. We could go to the museum. We could also go to the park. That's all for today's lesson on semicolons. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident in using this punctuation mark in your writing. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of the semicolon in no time. Happy writing, and see you in our next lesson.